How to use the timeline in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, the timeline is where you arrange and edit your video clips to create your final project. To get started, import your media files into the media pool, then drag and drop them onto the timeline. Next, you can trim clips by selecting the edge of the clip and dragging it left or right to shorten or lengthen it. This helps to remove unwanted parts quickly. After that, if you want to move clips around, just click and drag them to rearrange the order. You can also overlap clips to create transitions or add effects between clips easily. Another important feature is the ability to add multiple video and audio tracks. This allows you to layer clips, add background music, sound effect, or title on separate tracks without affecting the main video. You can zoom in and out of the timeline using the zoom slider or scroll your mouse wheel while holding the Alt key, which is useful when working on detailed edits or to get a broader view of your project. Additionally, DaVinci Resolve lets you use markers on the timeline to mark important points or sections you want to revisit later by pressing the shortcut key M, making editing more organized. Finally, don't forget to save your work regularly and use the playback controls to review your edits in real time directly on the timeline. And that's it. Now you know how to use the timeline in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.